Okay guys, welcome back to this channel. Now let's get started, but before that, if you are yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. If there's anything you want to say or anything you want to ask, say it. I'll be watching out for it in the comment section. So we would want to take a look at this movement for this week, which is Swiss franc JPY for this week. So one thing is, I'll be expecting kind of like a drop. Basically this Swiss franc JPY, it is kind of like being unpredictable. If I have to trade any JPY pairs, I'll rather trade probably card JPY or any of that JPY pairs. I'll stay away from Swiss franc JPY. But based on this correlation on everything, right? Since we are expecting card JPY to drop, GBP JPY to drop, and every other JPY pairs, I'm expecting it to drop. So with that, I will be expecting Swiss franc JPY to drop this week also. That should now take me down to the daily time frame. So we've seen a drop, right? Kind of like a rejection. So since I'm expecting another drop on probably CAD JPY and every other JPY piece, I expect Swiss franc JPY to actually give me one more drop again. Like I said, personally, I would love to stay away from this trade, but if in case you have to take this trade, then it is a sell we should be looking out for. Looking for a buy would be a bit dangerous, and it will be a bit risky, but the sell will actually be cool by the way. So let's see what this 4 hour time frame is actually saying. So we can see it's still a sell. We can see a drop, correction, a correction is playing out. So I'll be expecting another drop. So with this drop, let's say on Tuesday, we should be able to hit a level of 170 pips. If you have to get that drop to take this loss, that would be about 180 pips if I'm not wrong. So we still have about 100 plus pips drop on Swiss franc JPY. Maybe then a reversal movement will play out or price will continue to drop. Anyhow, we are going to update you on that. Now, if you are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, I'm going to put a link in the comment section. Check out the link, right? Check out the channel. So there I'm putting out high probability trade. Maybe if you are interested in trade, right, a good setup, a good analysis, check out the link in the comment section. Sign up. You'll be able to get access to those trades that I'll be giving out. Like I said, high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. That is what I'll be putting out. So if in case you're interested, the link to that channel is in the comment section.